Today we're going to be making the base for our paper strip sculpture. Here's our paper strip sculpture that we've looked at already in last week or the week before that. And you'll see that it has a little base that it sits on. This one's a little on the thin side, and I've kind of redesigned the assignment so that you'll have a base that's a little bit larger. It's going to have a thicker side, and we're going to put a bar on the bottom of it so that it's nice and stable. So if we weight down the top of it with lots of paper, it'll be nice and solid. So this is how we start. You're going to take a piece of paper. It's a 7 by 10 piece of black paper, Mr. Lundgren, and you're going to write your name on it. So you're going to write your name, Mr. Lundgren. That's my name, right? You're going to write your grade, 1 or 2, depending on what grade you're in, and then write your teacher's name out. Let's pretend this is Bori's class. Boris. B-O-R-R-I-E-S. There we go. Then you're going to take one of our paper strips that we've used in the previous part of our lesson, and you're going to use it kind of like a tracing ruler. You're going to line it up with the edge of your paper, and you're going to trace along the other edge. Okay, and you're going to do same thing on the other side. You're going to trace it like this so that the lines overlap. Okay, and here again we're going to trace it here so that the lines overlap a little bit, and again trace it on this side 4 times so that our lines run into each other. Okay, so you should have 4 lines when you're done, and if I tilt this you can see how they intersect right here. That means they meet up together, and they meet up here at the back part. And you're going to take this piece of paper now, you got your 4 lines, and you're going to take your paper and your bone folder, and you're going to fold it in. This is going to be the inside of our base. That's why we wrote our number or our name on it. The other side is going to be the top, with nothing on it. So you're going to take the top and fold it down right along that pencil line. Okay, use your bone folder, press it down right in the middle, and push down and pull it out to one side all the way off the paper. Pull it all the way off the paper on the other side so you have a nice strong crease. Then turn it, fold this side down. Use your bone folder, crease it really well. Crease it really well like that. Okay. Third side, fold it down along your pencil line. Use your bone folder to crease it all the way off your paper, all the way off your paper. And then the next one, fold it down. Oops. And your lines should, your folds from your previous ones should line up with the lines that are already there now. Okay, and there we go. Okay, and crease those really well so that you've got your 4 creases. So you can see all those 4 creases. Now we're going to have to cut. Okay, and we're going to cut our paper right on our folds. If you notice, let's see, where's my old line? Here's the little circle that I drew where the lines intersected, right? And you can see my pencil line right here. It's where our old pencil line was. You're going to cut from the edge of your paper up to where the folds intersect. So you're going to do a little teeny cut just right here, that far in. Okay, and it's going to make a little flap. You're going to do that on both sides here. Turn your paper around and snip on both sides, 1 and 2. And what you're going to do then is you're going to have 4 little tabs. You can see those tabs that I pushed down, and then you can see that they pop up and how they pop up like that. Okay? And these 2 here and the other 2 on the other side. Okay? So then you're going to take your glue bottle, and you might have to tap it on the table to tap and glue. You might have to pick the little glue chunk off the top so that it works, and then you push down gently and squeeze hard, and you'll put a little dribble of glue on each of these flaps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then as a new skill here, if you take your finger and you spread the glue out a little bit, it'll stick better if you spread it out. And then you might want to have a paper towel at your table to wipe your finger on. Okay. Then you're going to take this flap and you're going to fold it up like this and glue it to the outside edge. And that's going to create a corner, and that's going to make the corner for the box of our sculpture base. You might have to hold it and count to 30 in your mind, or 60. Take the other two, fold those little flaps up, and hold them together. So by the time you're done, you've got this box-like shape. There's the top of it. Here's the side, and you can see the inside. You can see that your name is right here on the inside of our box. Okay? Now we're going to make the bar for our sculpture base.